Okay, I was having a hard time trying to find out where to put this piece. See, there's not much room. And I've also have to add this in there. And this piece is very fragile. So I just decided I'd put it in here, press it right in there, and I think that should cover it pretty well. Just got little stuff like that. So put the rest of the stuff in here, wrap it in some bubble wrap. Okay. I want to remember, if you take a piece off, to put it back in, because after you close up the box or after you ship it, well, it's too late then. Okay, wrap this foot pedal up. Also, I don't like to remove anything that would be too difficult for the customer to have to put back in. All those things I removed are very, very simple. Very simple to put back in, just one screw. Probably send them a message, let them know what I did, so they're not surprised when they opened it. Some people don't care, but some people can be particular. Filling in the sides here, best that I can. This thing is something. I got all my pieces. Forgot the cover. Okay, see here, the top, it's pretty close, so I'm gonna have to put some packing up there, and then I don't think that thing moves. Looks like it's really hard in there, and it'll be very difficult to take out and put back in. So I'm just going to put some layers of styrofoam on top to keep that safe, and then I'll cut the box as I need to. Giant piece of recycled here. So to make that sit level, cut and press in there. Just kind of cut a slit there. Slit. There we go. You see, it's just showing through there. And then I'll put another piece or two on top of that. That should do it. Feels pretty good. I think that's good. Now see here, the box needs to be cut. So I'll cut a little line right there on each side, and then I'll fold the tops over, and If there's a big enough spot of styrofoam showing, I'll put a small piece of cardboard there to keep it safe. Thought I had a razor blade out here, I guess not. Okay, so that's what we're looking at here. It's kind of bowing, not as pretty as I'd like it to be, but I'll compensate with some extra tape. So I like to make sure the box is as tight as I can make it. Go around here just to cover those little pieces here where it's kind of bowing. Straighten that out, firm that up. Probably go a little tape crazy. Just imagine the edges of the box getting caught on the machine as it's going through and tearing it open and having to file a claim and figure out that whole thing. So I figure a couple extra pieces of tape are better than all that. Okay, top. Check the bottom here. See, it's not very much tape, especially for the weight we have in here. I better peel that off. Peel off all the barcodes. What was in there? Oh, some old-fashioned ham. Okay. Okay. There we go. That's good. The old shake test. Okay, thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.